Welcome back to the Apartment Edit. Today, I'm sharing a few updates we've made around the apartment. Small decor changes that not only make the rooms feel more inviting, but also improve how we use the space. The idea was to create a minimalist home where every element serves a purpose, allowing light to flow freely throughout the space and keeping everything functional and serene. It's still a work in progress, but I wanted to share a few of the updates so far. In the living room, we added a new table lamp to the Credenza. It matches the two curved lights we purchased earlier, and now the three of them work together to create a soft, cozy glow at night. It's the kind of light that quietly highlights the beauty of each object, adds subtle texture and contrast, and wraps the room in a serene, uncluttered feeling that makes it even more inviting at night. Above the bench in the second bedroom, we hung a piece of antique wood wall art. The wood comes from Mongolia and carries a rich Asian heritage. This warm, textured piece adds character and blends seamlessly with the calm Japandi style we love. The bench itself is versatile. We use it to extend the dining table when we have guests, making the space both functional and inviting. In the second bedroom, we added a small desk and chair, a cozy corner for reading, working on a laptop, or simply enjoying a coffee with a view. The table has a glass top to keep things feeling light and airy, without interrupting the flow of movement in the room. We also placed a large mirror near the entry hallway. At first, we thought it might be too big, but it turned out to be the perfect size. Its minimalist, thin frame blends seamlessly with the rest of the home. It makes the space feel bigger, reflects natural light, and allows it to flow freely through the room. We're still deciding whether to move it further down the hallway. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. The main bedroom now features a mirror and a simple vase filled with curly dried wood pieces. The mirror is functional for getting ready, but it also helps the room feel more open. It's a small change that adds texture, contrast, and a subtle natural element. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this update, subscribe for more home inspiration, JapandiDesign tips, and the next steps in transforming this apartment into a truly functional and cozy space.